Thanks, Denise. And as you heard just now, the GC Foster Classic this coming weekend is expected to be the last meet held on the track at GC Foster College before work begins. This despite the ongoing delay with getting the requisite material.
The material is not on campus as yet. And if the material is not on campus, then we cannot proceed to do any work. But the material has been here from December 31st. And we're just hoping that at some point in time, right after next week, we should be able to get the material on campus for the work to begin. I've been told that there has been some amount of progress. I've been in contact with persons at the highest level, and I think that they are doing their best. I know there's a backlog at the wharf, so I don't think we're extra special. But with that being said, we'd like some special treatment after so many weeks.
Principal of GC Foster College, Maurice Wilson, is expressing optimism that the work will get done in short order, as the track is one of the major ones used on the island.
A role to play. We have had at least 7 meets here since the start of the track season, and so we cater to a particular group of youngsters and seniors. And so it's critical, not only for GC Foster, but for Jamaica development, to make sure that proper facilities are in place. And I'm very, very confident that immediately after the classics, we should see the material on.
Wilson is also hoping the inclement weather doesn't put a damper on the repair work.
Well, the weather would definitely be a factor in terms of putting down the surface within the time frame that would have been stipulated. So we're looking at 5 weeks if everything goes normal, and possibly six to 7 weeks if there is rain. However, the contractors have said that they are willing to work day and night, and we do have support staff that they are willing to make the sacrifice.